Hello everyone, thank you so very much for joining me. I'm Anna from Craft Me a Card and I love crafting for the crafter, and that is you. So for today, I'm going to be naming this Tip Tuesday because I have these orders of these beautiful 3D cards for Mother's Day made with real pressed flowers. Just gorgeous. I think I made about 15 of these. So I had to text a little video for the people purchasing them to show them how to insert a 3D card like this into the envelope without damaging the front. So this is the tip that I have for you guys today. So I decided to put a little YouTube video so that I could just put the link up whenever someone has a card like this. So what you're going to want to do is take the envelope where the card is going to go in and take a piece of plastic or a piece of paper or cardstock and input it into the envelope, just like this. Then under this, you're going to insert the card. Then you're just going to push it down. Just make sure that this plastic or this piece of paper is all the way down at the edge of the envelope. Then you just push the card in, and then you take the plastic or paper out, just like that, so that when the recipient receives it, you go ahead and it's nice and tucked in there. Because if you do it this way, some of these are really sticking out. You're going to damage that little arrangement there or the flowers. So this is the easiest and best way to do this, to stuff the envelope. Then you just go ahead and you seal it. Now, where did I get this plastic? This is another tip for you. These plastics have come in very handy to me. I use these kinds of plastics a lot, but I also want to show you where I get this plastic from. And here's a Swiffer box that I know a lot of you use at home. So I take it from the flap. After I'm done with this container, which I go through pretty often, I take the top and I just cut out the inside piece, and this plastic is hefty, it is thick, and it is great for different uses. Okay, so how am I going to seal this card? I'm just going to go ahead and grab my glue gun, two pressed flowers that I have, which I think are gorgeous. I'm going to put one, this is a sunflower petal there, and it just dries beautifully. Then I'm going to take the sweet purple flower. Let me bring you in a little bit so you could see these guys. They're just gorgeous. So sweet. Then I'm going to get a glue gun. I'm just going to pour some of the silicone glue right at the stem of this flower. Then taking a seal. This is from Craspire, and they have a wide variety of different images, of different styles you can pick from. You just push it down. You let it set for a little bit. If you don't want to use the silicone glue, there are also some wax sticks that you can pick from different colors. And I like to let it set for a little bit. And once you feel that it is cooled down, you pick up your seal, just like that, and you have a little image there. Now I like to use silicone because you could see through it and you could see that this seal is a flower. So for the seal, if you want to make that pop, I like to use mousse. This is a Nouveau mousse. There's different colors of this. This is a purple one that I have here. I've used different colors in the past. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip my finger in there a little bit and then just make this stand out just a tad. Just like that. And then just wipe my finger off. And there is that. You can see what the image of the flower is. You don't have to do this last step. You could leave it as is, which is the clear seal there. And that'll do it. Okay, so that will complete your envelope. And then you just write on the front the name of the person that will be receiving it. All right, that is all for this Tip Tuesday from me to you. Thank you so very much for joining me. I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the notification bell, a like, and comment. Thank you so much. I hope you get inspired. I hope you create, but most importantly, I hope you are happy. See you next time. Bye-bye.